Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to use my new AutoCAD plugin AutoLayouts. This plugin helps you to create AutoCAD sheet layouts by automation. And this now available on Autodesk App Store. Watch this video fully to understand all the functions of this application. In this drawing here in model space, you can see sheet numbers are placed middle of each sheets. And in the layout we have viewport with title block. Also here I have given field expression for drawing number. Anyway, title block and field expression are optional in layout. Just a viewport is enough for running auto layouts. So model space and first layout is ready. Now let's create sheet layouts by using auto layouts. To access auto layouts, go to add-in ribbon, click on auto layouts icon, or else you can type cadman auto layouts in command bar. And from this window, click on select sheet numbers button. Now select sheet numbers. It will select only the M text. If there are no other M text than the sheet numbers, you can do cross window selection. Or else you can isolate sheet frames and sheet numbers before running auto layout, or select one by one. Here I am doing cross window selection and press enter or spacebar in the keyboard. Here you can find all the selected sheet numbers and total count of selected sheets. Next, click on Pick Width button. The program automatically turn on End Snap Point. Now click on any sheet frames right and left corners to get sheet width. Here you can see the sheet frame width. Now click on Pick Height button. Click on any sheet frames top and bottom corners for sheet height. And the last step, click on Select Viewport button. If you are in the model space, it will jump to layout. Select the viewport. All the inputs are given, so now click on Execute button. Now it's creating the sheet layouts. Okay, now all the layouts are created. The first layout, program renamed as old layout. If you want, you can change this as key plan or something else. And here you can see all the layouts are created. Let me go to the last layout. Here you can see the node direction is rotated properly as per the M text rotation in the model space. Here you see the rotation of the sheet frame in the model space. So the sheet orientation is taking from the M text rotation. And here the drawing number and sheet count came correctly because we given field expression before running the program. You can get the field expression from this test drawing. Download this drawing from this video description. Before running the auto layout program, make sure this sheet number is in M text and justification should be middle center. Sheet number M text should be exact middle of each sheet frame. For that, click on this middle grip and shift plus mouse right button, then mid between 2 points and pick two opposite corners of the sheet frame. The sheet number should not be duplicated. This time we can run the auto layouts without title block and attributes. It's required only the viewport. Title block and attributes are optional. Click on auto layouts. Select sheet numbers. This time I can select 4 numbers if I don't want to create all the sheets. Pick width. Pick height. Select viewport. Execute. So as we selected, 4 sheets are created. If you have any questions about auto layouts, contact me anytime. Find my contact details in this video description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.